Remote Start on 2018-2022 Honda Odysseys allows you to start the engine remotely to precondition the cabin. First, ensure your Odyssey has the Remote Start feature, the key fob has sufficient battery, the vehicle is in park, all doors and hood are closed, and the fuel level is adequate. To activate, press the Remote Start button on the key fob twice within 1 second. The lights will flash and the horn may chirp. Within 5 seconds of the second press the lock button once to confirm. The engine will start, and the climate control will activate based on the last settings. The engine will run for 10 minutes, extendable via software updates to 15 minutes in some climates. To stop the remote start prematurely, press the unlock button twice on the key fob or use the Honda Link app if connected. Finally, enter the vehicle and press the brake pedal to assume control. If remote start fails, common issues include a low key fob battery, doors or hood not fully closed, or system interference. For example, a low battery warning appears on the dashboard when the key fob needs replacement. Reprogramming the key fob at a dealership may resolve persistent problems. Ensure the key fob is not inside the vehicle during remote start attempts. Some 2018-2022 Odysseys support Honda Link remote engine start via smartphone app, requiring a compatible subscription. This allows starting the vehicle from a greater distance. Honda has released over-the-air software updates to improve compatibility, extend runtime, and enhance security. Always verify your vehicle's specific configuration through the Honda website or owner's manual. Expert sources say this feature enhances safety by allowing pre-warming without entering a cold vehicle and recommend annual key fob checks to avoid battery-related issues.